Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL GO Bluetooth speaker and I am going to show you how to reset this speaker to factory defaults. So first of all, now I am going to turn on this Bluetooth speaker by pressing this button. So it is turned on. You can see the light is blinking here. So that means it is turned on. Now to reset this to factory defaults, we have to press this volume plus button and Bluetooth button continuously for few seconds. So the speaker will turn off. Now I am going to press these buttons. Please watch carefully. Plus button and Bluetooth button continuously. Speaker will turn off now. So that's it. The speaker is turned off and this is back to factory defaults. So now I am going to turn on. So to confirm that it has been restored to factory defaults, if we are turning on the speaker, it should go to pairing mode automatically without pressing this Bluetooth button. So let's see whether it has gone back to factory defaults or not. Now I am going to turn on the speaker. Yeah, you can see now it is gone to pairing mode. Now let me connect this. Here JBL Go is coming. Now I am going to press this allow access and now it is paired. It's time to check the sound here. Alright, now this is the basic steps to do factory defaults reset. So the main thing is you have to press this plus button and Bluetooth button continuously after turning on the speaker. So until that speaker turns off, you have to press these two buttons, Bluetooth and plus button continuously. So it will turn off. That means it has been restored to factory defaults. So alright, that's it. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.